If your lawnmower start cable breaks, you'll see that this will go down, but it won't spring up. The cable will be very limp. Down at the other end, you can see it is completely snapped off and rotted off. We'll replace it with a new cable. We'll remove the cable from this end first. Squeeze these 2 tabs in, usually with a pair of pliers. Squeeze them together and then push. Pull the cable through this end. Remove the metal piece of the cable. This cable is identical on this side, but on this side it's different. Here's the style for this, so we'll see if we can adapt this. We'll remove the top piece of the cable. With a screwdriver, we'll pry off the plastic portion. Now the old cable's off. The new cable we'll put into the hole. We've got it attached this way. Place the metal into the cable through the hole and attach it. Push the plastic piece so it clips in. That portion of the cable is nice and tight. We'll pull tight and then put it into the hole at the top of the lever. We'll check the lever and everything feels real nice. Even though this connection's different, it still works. Now we're back in service.